In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add product variations in Wix using editor.wix.com. This capability is particularly useful if your online storefront offers variable products with elements such as size, color, and more. With compact information and guided steps, we will delve into the alternate varieties of your products available for your consumers on your Wix site. You'll begin by logging into your Wix Studio. This platform is the launchpad for your creative solutions and invigorates your e-commerce operations with a lineup of powerful tools and features. Once you've arrived at the studio's main layout, search for the Pages icon. This icon serves as an entry point to the specific pages of your website, including the all-important product segment. The subsequent step calls for you to single out the product page as the designated area for showcasing your goods or services. The product page sets the tone for customer interactions and potential conversions. Clicking on it will give you deeper access to manipulate and arrange the displayed items. As you successfully land on the product page, look out for the three dots icon, often regarded as the More Options menu. This tool breaks down your customizations and tweaks into granular controls, thereby accelerating your editing process. A simple click on these three dots will unfurl a drop-down list featuring an assortment of functions and settings. One such interesting feature nestled within this list is the Add Page variant. Exploiting this option will enable you to introduce divergent versions or variations of your product. Clicking on Add Page variant will open yet another set of customization options that promise to breathe life into your offerings in distinctive ways. We now find ourselves at the last juncture of our guide, the Upgrade option. If you wish to expand the horizon of your Wix online store by housing more product variants, an upgrade is obligatory. So, click on Upgrade to add more product page variants. Upgrading provides you with increased customization scopes and therefore elevates your product presentation, further enhancing the customer's shopping experience. Remember, adding product variants not only help in diversifying the product range, but also significantly improves the user experience, providing options to choose from based on individual preferences. So take a leap and add product variants, enhance your Wix e-commerce site, and improve usability for different customer preferences. Happy editing!